HobbyKidsTV.
Today is Tiny Squishy versus Real.
Yeah! Oh, disease. Gosh, and go.
Oh no! Traffic light man is here.
Where did he come from?
I come from France. I come from France. I come from France. I come from France.
He's doing amazing robot dancing. We're so plain. We need to change to Power Rangers.
Good idea, Hobby Bear.
Hobby Power.
How's that? Boom wham!
Stop.
Oh good, you got him for now. The next challenge. Are you ready to put your powers together?
Let's just make them appear.
Hobby power. Aha!
I'm gonna scoop them with my new scooping arm.
Ooh, I like that modified weaponry. Oh, whatever it is, it's juicy.
There's evidence.
Evidence! Oh no! Cat's out of the bag.
Keep.
I guess Hobby Frog, what do you choose?
I'll switch.
Sheep. Sorry, dude. You lost out on that one. Okay, ready to reveal?
Unless if the squishy is gooey.
Unless the squishy's gooey. There is a slight to nil possibility. Ready, set, reveal!
Yeah.
Oh! Popsicles! That is awesome.
Ooh, it's squishy.
Let's compare. So we have pink and pink.
And blue and blue.
We have yellow
Wow.
and yellow.
Mine. Maybe our Popsicle's power can make the next one appear.
That's a great idea.
Blaster power! Popsicle power.
Wow, I can't believe that worked. Those popsicles really do have powers.
Give this video a thumbs up if you think the stop sign should go away.
I want to switch. Okay, keep.
Okay, ready? On the count of yellow popsicle. Red popsicle, blue popsicle, green popsicle, yellow popsicle!
Bagel.
Oh, you got the little bear squishy. Cute. Look at that. That's adorable.
This is my mommy. And it's sleeping here.
Baby! Circle of life.
Squishies.
I'm just an innocent little baby.
Now we have to decide, is it Tiny Squishy or Real?
Wow, the world is so much brighter.
It's Hobby Pig versus Red Hobby Frog. Do you guys want to keep or switch?
Switch. Keep.
All right, on the count of power, you're gonna open up to see if you got the Tiny Squishy or the real food. Ready?
Power.
5, 4, 3, 2, power! Oh, cute! It's a little teeny tiny peach. Ooh, that's pretty squishy,
When
huh?
I think about peaches, it's too funny.
Too fuzzy.
Can I see?
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear.
I want to see.
Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy Wuzzy.
I'm gonna knock the buzz.
Oh no!
Peaches.
Get him, guys! Get him!
Stop power. Stop power.
Oh, good job! You got the bad stoplight guy.
Yay! I did it!
High five, Peaches.
And cream.
Slow rising peach. Just peachy. It's Hobby Bear versus Hobby Pig. But wait, where's the tiny surprise? Hobby Power!
Whoa!
Amazing! Are you going to keep?
Keep.
Or do you want to switch?
I'll switch.
He wants to do a switch. You want to switch?
Keep.
He changed his mind. Keep?
keep,
Okay,
keep,
ready?
keep, yeah.
1, 2, 3, go!
Bread.
What is that? That's a tiny little bun. Look at this. Oh, this is kind of squishy too, even though it's real. It's really squishy. Ha! Look at that. what? Boing, boing.
In order to make this match.
Ooh, this looks pretty real too.
It's like a
That's
gummy.
cool.
The squishy wins, right?
Yes, Squishy wins. Yay!
Squishy buns.
Oh no! It's traffic light guy.
I will leave if you can answer 3 questions. What does this mean?
Go!
I'm not leaving. Still not leaving. What does this mean?
Stop.
Very good. Good
What
job.
does this mean?
Go.
What does this mean?
Go faster.
That is incorrect.
Challenge accepted.
It does not mean challenge accepted. Caution!
Very good. It means slow down.
Wait.
That means wait. He got it right. Come on, traffic light guy. You got it right.
Fine, I will accept your less than subpar answers.
Hobby Pig versus Hobby Frog. Red Power Ranger. What do you choose, Frog?
I choose to keep.
Keep. He wants to keep. What do you want to do?
I'll keep.
Keep. Okay, ready? On the count of pink potato. Red potato, blue potato, pink potato. Woo! It's a mango mochi. Oh, look how cute it is. This one's the squishy one, huh? I knew it.
It's squishy.
It's so squishy. You want to put it on your nose. Ooh, that's real.
Can I have a bite?
You want to bite?
You want a bite? It's hard. Yeah, it's a little sticky.
They gave you a little rainbow mustache. Is it good? What's it taste like?
Ice cream. Oh, that actually looks good.
Did you want to bite?
I want a bite too.
You want to bite?
Everybody wants bites.
You need to stop.
Why?
No more biting for you. You will get a brain freeze. Caution! Ow.
Take this.
It ricocheted. It got me.
Just kidding. I'm fine.
Make sure to leave your comments of your favorite Power Ranger.
My favorite is the red one. I tore this thing out of its brain. I'm a conehead.
You are a conehead. Speaking of conehead. Oh, he doesn't like your conehead. Whoa! We have the purple.
Whoa.
We have the orange. Which is which? Keep.
Okay, switch.
Switch. All right, we're doing a switchity.
And the blue ranger's face got smushed.
Hobby Shefty would be so proud.
Oh, he got stuck in the fridge again. It's okay.
Oh yeah, he'll be on the next show. On the count of pow. Ready? Zap. Boom. Pow. Oh, look, they're little fishies. Oh, look at this fishy compared to this fishy. And look, it's in the ocean. Gee whiz, there's cheese whiz on the cheese crackers.
Cheese is.
But are they delicious?
Yeah.
Ooh, so it looks like you got the point. Because you got the squish fish.
And I'm in the lead. I want to see that guy. I'm going to name him Not Nemo.
Non-Nemo.
No, not Nemo.
Oh, not Nemo. Now it's pufferfish.
It's yellow. I must take the yellow.
No!
My yellow.
No!
Oh, meow.
Oh, my.
This entire thing is edible. It's made of corn tortilla, cheese whiz, and goldfish crackers.
Whoa!
Whoa! Tiny versus real. Switch or keep?
Switch.
Okay, he wants to switch. We're doing a switch.
There we go.
1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more! It's an apple! It's a tiny squishy apple.
This.
Why is it so slimy?
It's so slimy.
Oh, first. Oh.
Stoplight, stoplight, stoplight. It is mine. It is red.
You want this instead? It's slimy.
Whoa! All right, Hobby Frog, are you doing a keep or switch?
I'm doing the switch. I'm keeping.
Keeping. Since he wants to keep, we have to keep.
Okay.
Ready, set, open. Whoa, that is so cool.
What is
Look
this?
at this. They look almost identical.
Is this a Cinnabon?
No, it's like a little cookie, like a macaroon or something. Look at that. Man, that looks almost exactly the same.
Mmm.
All the cool
It's
stuff.
actually really good. Whoa, this squish it.
Is it good?
Stoplight, stoplight.
Oh!
Like what?
Aw, thank you.
Too many sweets isn't good for you.
Oh, good job, Hobby Frog. You got him. Victory dance, victory dance. Whoa, that was some crazy hobby power. Keep or do the switchity?
Switch.
Keep.
Keep. All right, Hobby Pig votes keep. On the count of keep. 1, 2, keep. Oh, it's mushroom.
It's why it's slimy again.
Was Super Mario here? Look how cute these are. Oh, I want these.
What's up?
Let's see if we can squish them all together. Ready?
Mushroom.
No, they are slimy.
Blue for Hobby Bear. Green
Is it
for Hobby Pig.
good?
Pink for me. Ha 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 ha. I'm keeping it.
Is it good to eat one of these?
Yeah, mushrooms are good for you.
It's good. Their mushrooms are very good.
Yeah, I can tell you don't like it. It'd be good with ranch dressing or oil and vinegar. Did you know it's a fungus?
What the fungus?
Caution, fungus, fungus, fungus. Don't fungus for you. Caution. Ow.
How does it smell?
Weird. Can you stop trying to shove it in my nose?
Okay, what does it smell like?
I don't know.
Smells like mushrooms.
Like mushrooms?
Yeah.
That's an interesting, maybe like plasticky smell.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it smells like vanilla. Keep or switch?
Keep or do the switch.
Ooh. What do you say?
Keep.
Keep. What do you want to do?
I do nothing on switch, but
He wants to switch.
he wants to keep.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, reveal.
Crisp.
Oh, giant croissant.
Croissant.
Wait, let's compare,
Compare. Oh, it's never like
Tiny squishy croissant. With real food. Okay, smell it. By the way, it looks like a mustache on you.
smells just like the mushrooms.
It does. It definitely does.
Smells like Polynesia.
French people know how to make bread.
Yes,
This
they
is
do.
a no French food zone. No French food.
Rude.
No frog legs. No baguettes.
What about escargot?
What's y'all?
Are you trying to be like Mario?
I don't know.
Hobby power! Keep or switch?
I would rather keep. So I'm gonna switch, but
Sure you don't want to switch?
Sure, I'll switch.
Oh, that was easy. Nice negotiating.
I'm the world versus negotiator.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, reveal.
Oh, banana.
Banana, banana. Let's compare.
Hello. Tiny squishy banana with real banana.
I
I have a smile with a mustache. I'm angry.
What if you were happy? What if you were...
Okay, look, this is you when you're mad. And this is when you're happy.
Boom. Smash banana.
Caution.
Oh no!
Caution.
Oh
Caution. Caution. This is a tripping hazard.
no! Oh, you got him! Good job, guys. Oh, look, he left the bananas. Hobby power. Oh!
Keep.
Keep? Okay, what do you want to do, Hobby Bear?
Switch. Beep.
Okay, there's no switching since he said keep. Ready, set, Power Ranger! Quiche! It's a little baby quiche. It's so cute and quiche-y. I'm thinking the same thing. Ooh, yummy.
What's quiche?
It's kind of like pot pie, but I think it's made with like egg and cheese.
This is so good.
Eating just the crust.
Yeah, the crust is amazing. It's the best part of almost everything.
Let's squish the quiche. Squish.
Quiche. I just made quiche.
Pow! Zap! Boom! Boom! Wham!
Wham!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Hobby power.
I'm gonna keep.
You want to keep? What do you want to do?
I want to switch.
Sure you don't want to switch?
I'll
Sure,
switch.
sure. Oh, he said he'll switch. Ready, set, go.
Oh, that's a living creature.
That's so cute. It's a tiny watermelon.
I thought HobbyFriends was gonna be in here. I thought it sounded like a mouse or something.
I thought it was a
Like a
huge
fat
enormous
rat.
bear.
You thought it was a huge, enormous bear?
Yes,
What kind of a bear?
a brown one.
A brown bear?
I don't like you.
Oh
Stoplight.
no, he's back! Get him! Oh, he wanted something green for go.
I got the melon. The melon is green. It is mine.
It's okay, guys. I got this. It's okay, guys. I got this.
He's not going down. You gotta get him. He's wavering though. Oh, he got him. Good watermelon. Do not try this at home.
Oh, cutting a melon into a piece of melon.
Got you so good.
Oh, cool. Now there's 3 melons. Oh, now there's 4 melons.
I was sweating.
Now we're gonna make it 6 melons.
Caution. You're having too much. Oh, I better get out of here. Ah.
Big melon. What?
Hobby power. Whoa! How do you guys do
I
that?
don't know, but it works.
Do you want to keep or you want to switch?
Keepity.
Oh, they both said keepity. All right, ready? Steady. Eddie. Betty. Ready. Teddy. Go! Woo! Oh, look at that face. That glorious, glorious donut face.
That looks like
Your face? What? Where are you going?
looks like what's hot.
No, he just didn't like the color jam on it. Oh, look at the squishy donut.
Besides that, it's amazing.
Slice, dice, chop, suey.
Oh, it's hard.
Hello, kitty.
No, this is more like it.
This is delicious.
Bye, kitty.
I do not like that. Hit it, donut, donut.
Oh,
Do you get a hobby frog?
Yeah.
Bad joke.
Oh,
Bad
hey, where's
joke.
that blaster?
Bad joke.
Get out of here.
Bear, you touched him.
Hobby Power. Woo! We have the purple. We have the orange. Which one has the food? Which one has the tiny squishy?
This one has the tiny squishy.
You think so?
Yes, I'm gonna keep.
What do you want to do?
Keep.
Okay, 2 keeps. Ready? Keep 1, keep 2, keep 3. Open!
Oh, peach. Well, no, not peach. Pear. I have a pear. Why is it slimy?
That's a squish.
That's a squishy pear.
And the end score is Hobby Pig 7, Hobby Frog and Bear 8. The winners are Frog and Bear. Woohoo!
Super good.
I'm inside this robot.
Hobby Bear, you're just here. You're not really inside the robot.
Make sure to leave us your comments of what your favorite tiny squishies are in this video. We want to know. And what challenge do you guys want us to do next? What theme would you like? Did you guys like the Power Rangers? And remember, watch another Hobby Kids TV video so we can keep on making more shows for you. Make sure to click on a Hobby Kids TV light bulb logo, or just click on one of these videos.
Or if you don't click on one of these videos, we're gonna squish you, and then we're gonna chase you with the hammer, and then squish you, and then
Don't worry, it's a squishy hammer.
yes.
You got him. You got him.